Hey, what's up? It's Chabi. Just to let you show what I'm doing in this swimming pool, I'm sanding out the chips on the edge of the steps, which is not done properly, and it's very dangerous. So I'm doing it like this. Second step. You can see it's already bull-nosed, and the chips are sanded, and the edge is nice, so you can even touch it. But the other one quite dangerous, so it's really sharp. It's the edge of the glass as it is coming out from the factory, and it's a cutting edge here. Well, so I already did the grouting here under the capping stone and the walls, and the bottom line I did as well. And well, it's a old swimming pool, but it might do a few more years. Well, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.